Okay, what is the topic going on? How much more? How much less? How much more you ate today? No, you ate less only. You didn't eat more. How much more? How much less? Is our topic already. Yesterday we have discussed something. How do you add it? I said to you. Okay. Now we will do some examples of subtraction. How do you subtract? 75 minus 23. How do you subtract?
52.
So what you will do? 75. From 75 you will start. So somebody, I said to you, no, direct somebody will subtract, somebody parts. Yesterday you have subtracted like that.
Yes.
So now 23 you want to subtract, no? First what you will do? 3 subtract first. If you subtract 3, what will come?
72.
72. Then what you do?
20.
20 at a time or 10. Your wish. So 10 if you subtract. 62. Easy, no? 10 if you subtract. 50. So like that we can subtract. Otherwise, 3 if you subtract, afterwards direct 20. Otherwise, 20 you subtract first, then afterwards 3. Otherwise 10, 10, 3. As your wish you can subtract like that. Okay, do you understand? That is the way of subtraction. But sometimes when the questions are like that, that is my way. I said to you yesterday some my different way is there. You see here 24 minus 30, sorry, 54 minus 39 is the question. Here actually bar will come. Then you are confusing a lot, no? Then you see, my way you see, what I will do, I will, from 54, I will subtract 40. 39 I will not subtract, round figure I will take. 39 is closer to 40, no? First 40 I will subtract. Means what will happen, 40 if I subtract, easy, no? 40 subtraction means 14 will come. Then what you do, extra one subtractor, no, you are. That one you will add, no? Do you understand? You will go reverse. Reverse means like this, one I will add. Then what will become it is? 15. So it is easy, no? Than thinking the borrowing, you will think, you will take like this, no? 54, 39, minus. Means what you have to do? From 4 to 9 you cannot subtract. So you will take the borrow. You will take 1 here, you will cut it. This much lengthy process. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Then 1. This is lengthy process. You see, this is very easy, no? Easy process, no, it is? So do you understand this process easy? You see now. 78 minus 52. Here what I do? First round figure 50 only I subtract. 78 minus 50. First 50 I subtract, then you know that 28. Then again 2 are there, no? 2 what should we do? We have to subtract only 2 also. First 50 subtracted, then 2 subtract. Means what will come? 26. Extra subtracted means reverse you go. You are not extra, no? 50 only subtracted. More 2 you have to subtract, no? That's why like this. Now 73 minus 28. 73 minus 28. How do you subtract, you say to me? First 73. 73, how much you subtract?
30.
Very good, 30. Round figure you subtract always. But here round figure backside is there. Here round figure extra you are taking. Here less you are taking, here extra. Extra how much you subtracted? 30 subtracted. Means it is easy now 43. Extra subtracted, that's why what should come again? We have to come back now again. How many? 2 extra. That's why 2 extra you will add there. Then what you will get it? 45. Means sometimes he will go like this. Sometimes he will go like this and he will come here. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So one more question. 44 minus 17. What will you do? From 44 to 20 you will come back. Very good. 20 will come back because it is near to 20 now.
Yes,
20 if you come back, what will become? It is 24. Then 3 like this you will go. 27. Okay, I think you understand very well. You are doing nice. 76 minus 21. So what you will do? 76 to 20 because it is near to 20, no?
Yes.
20 means what will come? 56 will come. Then here like this or like this? No man, extra taken means you have to go like that. Extra did not take, no. Here 17 means 20 taken, extra. Here 28 means 30 taken. Extra taken means reverse you come. Extra did not take, no. That's why where will come? Back only will go. Okay? So now what will come? 1 only back. 1 only back means what it is? 55. Okay? Then remember that carefully. Always not like that. Extra taken means reverse. Extra not taken means same. 84 minus 26. What will you do? 84. 30 you take better because 26 is near to 30 now. 30 you take better. 30 means what will come? 54 no? Extra taken. Now what you will do? Reverse. Reverse means how much here? Extra how much you got? 4 taken. That 4. 58. Okay. Now you are able to understand? Sometimes back and back only. Sometimes back and front again. Okay? Shall I give some questions to you like that? Additions also like that only. Yesterday I said to you additions. Sometimes front and front only. Sometimes front and back. You see here. 24 plus 39. Then what I will do? 24. How much you will take? 40 you will take. 40 means you know that very 64. Extra you take, no. That's why what you will do? You will come back. 1 back. 63. You understand? So 85 plus 28. What you will do?
30.
85 plus 30. Means what it is? 115. 100. Then what you will do? 2 extra taken, no. That's why 2 you will come back. Means what it become? 113. So 43 plus 21.
20.
Very good. What you will do? 43 plus 20.
Yes.
Means what it is? 63. Now it is plus 1 or minus 1?
Minus 1. Plus 1.
Extra not taken, no. Extra means you also have to come.
Minus 1. Plus 1.
Extra you have taken.
No. Only.
Less you have taken, no. Less means again 1 is there. That's why what you do? You have to go there.
64.
60? Okay, Arman, understand? Extra when you take like this 28 to 39 which are near like that time reverse you will come. Otherwise direct forward. Okay? Sometimes we will go same direction. Sometimes we will go reverse direction. Means when you take reverse direction, extra if you take. If you take extra, first time extra if you take, you will. Here first time extra you did not take, no. Less only take, no. That 1 extra you will stand. Okay? So like this, I will give some work to you. You do one thing. For some problems, I will write on the board. You write in your notebook. Then I will give extra question. Okay? So first question you see here it is 35 plus 29. So how do you do? 35 What you will do? Plus 30, no? Plus 30 means what will become 65. Now extra I have taken. That's why again minus 1. So answer is 64. So 42 plus 28. Then what you will do? 42. Say
30
plus 30 means 72. Extra you have taken, no? Extra means that's what will come back. Minus 2 means what is the answer? 70. 52 plus 32. What you will do? 52 plus 30 means 82. Then again that side only will go or this side will come? That extra taken. Here extra taken, that's why reverse. Here not extra not taken, no. That's why that side only have to go. Because 30 only have taken, no. More 2 is there, no. More 2. 84. You understand? Sometimes like that, sometimes like this. Same subtractions if you take like this. 72 minus 28. Subtraction, no. That's why you are taking number that side. You will come back, no. How much will come back? Minus 30 because it is near to 30, no. Minus 30 means what you will get it? 42. Extra you came, no. That's why reverse. Minus 2. Reverse means here plus 2. 44. Right side you are going plus. Left side you are coming minus. Right side means plus. Left side means minus. Now you see 640. Sorry. 73 minus 39. 73 here. Very good. Minus 40. Minus 40 means what it is that? 33 will come. No extra came, no. That's why plus 1. 34. 78 minus 21. 78 minus 20 means what will come? 58. Now that's right side. Right side. Extra not taken, no, you are. Extra not taken is again back only. 57. Extra taken means reverse. Extra not taken means same. Think like that. Extra taken means reverse. Here also, there also same. But here going like this, no. Extra taken means again back will come. Here extra taken means again will go there. Extra not taken means same direction. Okay. You do one thing. Write these questions in your notebook. Then I will give some questions, some extra work. That only you write. Now extra questions I will give you after. Yesterday I gave the work to you to add them. Medals. Medals problem will be complete. Page number 42. Medals problem I said to do that answers. Then question number 8. How many medals did America got more than Italy? You can leave it, man. I am sending that photos to you.
76 medals.
So here you see that. How do you do that? How many medals did America got more than Italy? America got, you know that. How many medals got by America? 104. America got 104. Italy? 28 only?
Yes.
Very less, no? Italy got 28. He is saying America got more than this, no?
Yes.
How many more? Means how do you get answer?
Subtraction.
Very good. By?
Subtraction.
What, man? By subtraction means what you will write? 104 minus 28. This is also, what method is there? No? Like that also you can do. Subtraction means you see, you subtract 30 first.
Yes.
Means 74, no?
Yes.
Extra subtracted, no?
No.
That's what you will do, plus 2.
76.
Answer is 76.
76 medals.
This one you can do in mind only. No need to write like that also. Directly you can do in brain and you can give the answer.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Second question is that how many medals did Korea get less than Russia? So Korea and Russia.
Korea 28.
Korea 28.
Russia 22.
Russia.
22.
So Korea got less only, no?
Yes.
How many less he is asking? Means what should we do?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. How many more also you have to do subtraction? How many less also you have to do?
Subtraction.
Extra how many? Less how many? Both are you have to do subtraction only.
Yes.
So means what you have to do? 82 minus 28. Our method you can follow, no?
Yes.
What is that? 82 minus 30 means how much? 52.
52.
Extra you have taken, no? 2 extra, no? That's why reverse.
54.
54. So answer is 50.
54 minus.
Understood, no?
Yes.
See these methods, if you practice well, in brain only you can do. Without using paper, you can give the answer. Okay, next question. How many more medals does China need to get an equal number of medals that America? Same question, no? China and America.
China 88.
America 104. So America got more, no? China got less, no? To how many less means what should we do? Subtraction. Next to
16.
okay, you can get answer. Now the question number D, you see that. Make more problems of addition and subtraction based on the table. Lot of questions are there, no? Like that, more 3 questions you have to write. Not answers. Only questions. Can you write like that? Same. Only country names if you change it enough. In notebook. Country names if you change it, you can do it now. Not now. Homework. Country names you can change it. Same questions you have to write like this. Above 3 questions are there, no? Like that questions you have to create. How many? 3. Simple. What you have to do?
Yes, sir.
Country names if you change, different questions will come. Okay, you can do that now. So one more just down you see here. There is some try this. Very easy fill in the blanks there. That also you see today we will discuss. See what are there in that. Here one addition is there. 27 plus 52 is equal to 79. From this addition, you can make subtraction. How you see that? 79 minus 27 is equal to 52. Otherwise, 79 minus 52 is equal to
27.
From addition you can make subtraction. From subtraction you can make addition. How you see that? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, no?
5 plus 3.
How you make the addition? 5 and 3 will become 8, no? So 5 plus 3 will become
8. 3 plus 5 8.
3 plus 5 also 8. You see from subtraction you can make addition.
Yes.
From addition you can make
Subtraction.
what man?
Subtraction.
From addition you can make subtraction, no? You see here I am giving this. 735 plus 837 is equal to 1572 answer.
Yes.
From this, I am asking one question to you. You try to answer it. 1572 minus 837 is equal to how much? Without doing, you can give answer.
735.
735. Yes. So like that, can you answer these all in the which is in the page number 42? Try this. 42. Try this. You finished already, but once again I am saying. Can you do that? Huh? In online class, maybe you didn't understand well. That's why I am repeating again. You can do that. In online class, you know that maximum so many chapters completed with us. But time is there, no problem. Once again, I will revise and we will do everything. Okay? Only first 4 chapters only I left. Remaining all chapters I will teach you again. Okay. The next topic is estimate. Do not find exact answer. Just estimate. What is the next topic? Do not find the exact answer.
Just
Just estimate. Do not find the exact answer. And tomorrow onwards, you see, alternate day you will get math class morning. Alternate day you will get it. One period, Hindi period is there no? Daily no Hindi period. One day Hindi period, one day math. One day Hindi, one day math. One day Hindi, one day
math.
at the time of math, just I will give and I will give the work. Already what work I am repeating that you have to do there. Okay, in that period I will not teach. Teacher will be stand here. That work, pending work will be there no? That all work you have to complete that time.
Okay, sir.
Not only homework only not there. Something you can do here also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next question is what? Do not find the exact answer. Just estimate. What means estimate? You know, rough answer. Rough answer means near answer. Now we are exactly adding no. 5 means 5, 6 means 6 like that. Not like that. Suppose I am saying to you, in your class, 28 boys are there. 28 boys and 31 girls are there. I said to you. Totally, how many are there? Is the question. That exact note what I want. Roughly you have to say. That is how you know. This one what you do 28 means he will take it is close to 30 no.
Yes.
31 is close to
30.
30 only. Round figure 30 means tens. Now 30 and 30
60.
like that. 60 if you that is estimate answer. That is called as estimated answer. Not exact answer. Bari. Not exact answer. Simple estimated answer. Estimated answer understood no? Because this addition is easy not to us. This addition is difficult. This addition is easy. Addition and subtraction both also have to do like that only. Okay. So you have 73 apples are there. In that 49 apples I get already. 49 apples I get. How many are left is the question. Means what should you do actually?
Subtraction.
But I am asking estimate answer no. Then what you will do? This much length you will do.
50.
This one you will take as
70.
70 because it is near to 70 no. This one you will take as
70.
70 minus 50.
20.
Like that roughly 20 you will say. I think you understand. What is called estimated? Estimate answer means take round figures and then do the addition. Take round figures and then do the sometimes addition, sometimes all problems addition only you will do. Is there? All times subtraction only you will do. Sometimes addition, sometimes subtraction. Yes or no? You see there, can you read these questions here, page number 43? Do this. Sandhya spent 91 rupees on fruits and 82 rupees on vegetables. About how much did she spend in all? Means what should we do?
Addition.
What numbers you will take? 91, 82 you will take. 91 you will take as 90, 82 you will take as 80. Then you will do the addition and you will give the answer there.
170.
Okay, sometimes addition, sometimes subtraction. Okay, can you do these all? How many questions are there in this? 4. These all, no, not 4. Back side 7. These all you write in notebook. You write in notebook with question and answer. Already finished. In notebook with question and answer you write it. You understand? Now what is the work I said to you today work? What is that? This homework and in madam's questions. Then this try this. These all do this. 7 problems are homework. Okay? Clear? Do you understand?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Yes, you can do it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.